The small town of Orchha, situated 16 kilometers from Jhansi in Madhya Pradesh, emanates an architecturally historicized complex called the Orchha Fort Complex. It was built in 1501 and by Raja Rudra Pratap Singh of the Bundela Dynasty. It is a manifestation of Rajput and Mughal architecture, flamboyantly decorated with latticed windows, projected platforms and balconies and mirrors on ceilings. Built by the descendants of the Bundela Dynasty, the Orchha Fort Complex houses several monuments such as the Raja Mahal, Sheesh Mahal, Rai Praveen Mahal, and also gardens such as the Phool Bagh.Descendants of the Bundela Dynasty built the fort complex over the years. The Raja Mahal, also referred to as the Raja Mandir, was constructed under the reign of Raja Madhukar Shah in 1554 to 1591. Raja Vir Singh Deo built the Jahangir Mahal as a gesture of gratitude towards the Mughal Emperor Jahangir upon his visit to Orchha. Raja Indrajeet Singh built the Rai Praveen Mahal in 1618 with a luscious portrait of the poet and musician Rai Praveen, whose beauty had enamored his mind. The Sheesh Maha, initially built for Raja Udait Singh, has now been converted into a hotel but has managed to ensemble the Mughal-Rajput style of architecture. The Phool Bagh is elegantly decorated with flowers and a line of fountains with an archaic cooling system to retreat to ensembles. The Orchha Fort Complex took over a century to be wholly constructed. The massive monument started as a fort for His Royalty Raja Rudra Pratap Singh of the Bundela Dynasty in 1501, and the palatial residence has projecting platforms and balconies, latticed windows, murals and paintings with gods and other mythological creatures, high ceilings with pavilions and ceilings with carved mirrors. The monuments that followed were built by the successive kings of the Bundela Dynasty. The King's Palace, Raja Mahal or Raja Mandir, was where the royal families resided till 1783. While the exterior adheres to simplicity, the interior is languid with paintings and murals with religious themes, mythological creatures, high ceilings and walls with interspersed mirrors. The architectural design of the palace allowed a variation of temperature and mood with the amount of sunlight that entered. There are many inbuilt secret passages in the fort too. A section of the fort was converted into a Rama Raja temple. There is a historical legend behind this conversion. It was built during Raja Madhukar Shah's reign from 1554 to 1591. He was a devotee of Lord Krishna, while his queen, Rani Ganesh Kuwari, was a devotee of Lord Rama. According to a local folktale, Lord Rama asked Rani Ganesh Kuwari to build a temple for him in her dream, and thus began construction of the Chaturbhuj temple. Rani Ganesh Kuwari went to Ayodhya to get an idol of Rama for the temple. She placed it in her palace because the Chaturbhuj temple was still under construction. If you liked the video, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. See you soon with an interesting episode.